biggest challenge to our health routines are what Blender Babes call trigger foods. I'm talking about you, pumpkin pie. We've learned the best way to get through the holiday season is to satisfy these unyielding desires by taking those same trigger food ingredients and turning them into something that's healthy and sweet. The nutritional focal point for our pumpkin pleaser smoothie is going to be pumpkin puree and pumpkin pie spice. With these smoothies' luscious, energizing ingredients, you might even forget that the pumpkin pie was even created. Or just not eat as much of it during the holiday season. So our first healthy ingredient is a 3/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Renowned for their vitamin C content, oranges are one of the most popular fruits in the world and are also a great source of calcium, potassium, folate, and fiber, as well as an incredible array of phytonutrient compounds whose healing properties modern researchers are still discovering. So feel free to use a little more if you'd like. Our next ingredient is 1 cup of vanilla low-fat yogurt, which possesses a unique blend of life-enhancing ingredients. Most importantly, has probiotics. These beneficial bacteria encourage weight loss, strengthen the immune system, and promote regularity. Just make sure to choose a yogurt with no added sugar, and for a vegan option, use coconut or soy-based yogurt. Next up is our organic pumpkin puree. Half a cup of this nutrient-dense vegetable has 3 grams of fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller longer and is the key to losing weight. And with 0 fat and about 50 calories, this delicious beta-carotene-rich orange vegetable is loaded with 550 milligrams of potassium, the essential youth mineral that keeps your heart and muscles working at peak levels. Sheesh! If only those were the reasons we can't stop eating pumpkin pie. For our next ingredient, it's our most intriguing, pumpkin pie spice. Spices possess the power to hinder tissue damage and inflammation brought on by high blood sugar levels, as well as the glycation process, which is what causes wrinkles. I know everybody heard that part. And that brings us to another replacement for trigger foods, bananas. 1 medium banana contains over 400 milligrams of potassium, which prevents high blood pressure. Now right here, we have the makings of one incredibly nutritious, satisfying smoothie. And for all you Blend Fresh lovers out there who want to take it to the next level, try adding 1 scoop of either red or orange Blend Fresh and a scoop of pre and probiotic. For those who haven't heard of these revolutionary fresh dried powdered supplements, they're made from 100% certified organic whole raw fruits and vegetables and contain $200 worth of whole foods in every bottle, while retaining all their nutritional value. Personally, I always take things to the next level, so I'm using both. Don't forget your ice unless you're using frozen bananas. Amazing! Tell me how this unique recipe worked out for you in the comments below. Also, if you have any recipe suggestions, feel free to leave those as well. And if you can't get enough of our nutritious recipe videos, check out blenderbabes.com. Don't forget to subscribe and enter to win a high-powered blender. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Food Junkie 21. My name is Ladaska, and today I'm going to show you how to make a green energy smoothie that is packed with calcium and iron and potassium and vitamins in it. So let's get started. Okay, So first we're going to put some mango in here. Then we're going to put about 1 or 2 cups of kale. Okay, stuff that in there like so. Then you're going to take a banana. This is a very simple recipe, okay? Very simple and easy. I'm going to put a banana in there, and then you're going to juice an apple, okay? So let's get that in there. I'm going to turn this juicer on. Now we're going to get to juicing these fresh, crispy apples. If you like this recipe, like, subscribe, share, comment on this video, and let me know what you think. Oh, it's so good to me, this smoothie. It's so good to me. Can you take a sip, take a drink?
Hi friends, I'm going to show you a recipe for a smoothie that I really like. Now this is my first smoothie recipe that I ever made. I started by just using berries and juice, and then I subbed in soy milk and I added a couple other ingredients, found the best pairing of fruit, and this smoothie is my true creation. This smoothie is called the Vegan Frickwad. This smoothie is purple. Justin Bieber purple is the official color. This smoothie tastes like vanilla and peanut butter. Those are the two things you strongest taste in this. So this is gonna taste like a dessert shake, but health-wise, it's not a dessert at all. This is a healthy drink. I'm going to tell you the recipe. 2 cups vanilla soy milk, or you could try vanilla almond milk, vanilla rice milk. I prefer vanilla soy milk. For the fruit, you're going to go pineapple chunks and blueberries. 1 cup pineapple chunks, give or take. 1.5 cups, give or take, of blueberries. Kale. Or you can use other leafy green, collard greens. I've tried it with spinach. This is just for the added nutrients and a little bit the texture. You're not going to taste it too much in the final product. 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, getting that omega-3s, and I actually really like the texture that this adds. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Peanut butter in the smoothie, and I'm going buck wild over here. I'm going to show you the visual of what this looks like. So when you're doing this, you know what to expect. You're not going to get scared. You're not going to get frightened. Now, I still have kale in my hand. I am literally holding kale right now. I'm going to put that down. I'm kale free now. Every now and then I'm sort of bored, and I need you tonight, and I need you more than ever, and if you hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. Now this is going to be a thick smoothie if you make it how I make it. If I need to make it more liquidy to blend it up, like this is real thick, I'll just add some more soy milk. If it's not thick enough, what I'll add is the blueberries. I'll throw as many blueberries as necessary in there. Really, the blueberries, you can never have too many. I want it to be thick, but I want it to be very smooth. I don't like chunks of the fruit. Also, if you're using these leafy greens, there may be little strings in there from those or something, so I like grinding it hella, and that means turning it on the high for a while there, and just taking some selfies while you're blending. The Justin Bieber purple. Now, I made a ton of this, but you know how fun this is to drink? Purple smoothie. Tastes like vanilla and peanut butter, healthy as frick. This, my friends, is the Vegan Frickwad. From the time I was falling in love, now